everyone, and welcome to a virtual tour of the UPMC Eye and Ear Institute Audiology Clinic. We are located in the middle of a busy hospital just up the hill from Pitt's campus. So if you decide to come to Pitt, you will certainly have a few clinical placements up here at Eye and Ear. My name is Emma, and I am a fourth-year audiology student in the University of Pittsburgh's Audiology program, and I'm also an extern here at the Eye and Ear Institute, meaning I work up here full-time. So now I'm going to show you around our clinic. The Eye and Ear Institute is a specialty hospital in Oakland, located sandwiched right between two larger hospitals, UPMC Presbyterian, which we have down here, and UPMC Montefiore, which we have down here. So we get called to do lots of inpatient consults for both of these hospitals, meaning we deliver amplifiers to patients or even do bedside hearing tests on patients that aren't able to leave their rooms. So our offices are located on the 4th floor of the Eye and Ear Institute. This is our waiting room. We do share this space with a vestibular team and a physical therapy team that are located down that hallway here. Now over here in our waiting room, you can see our assistive listening devices cart that has some of the different alerting devices that we have available to our patients. So following me down this hallway, I'm going to take you into one of our treatment rooms. So this is one of our treatment rooms. All of our treatment rooms are equipped with a Verifit and computers that we can use to program hearing aids, as well as a space to sit and talk with patients about how to use their devices, as well as counsel them about things like tinnitus and cochlear implants. So next up, I'm going to take you into one of our hearing testing rooms. So this is one of the rooms where we do hearing tests. As you can see in here, this is a double-walled soundproof booth, and this is where we have patients sit while we're testing their hearing. And then back out here, we have the computer with the audiometer that we sit at and test the patients, and we can see them through that little window right there. Now down this hallway, we have one of our larger treatment rooms that we typically use for cochlear implant programming because people tend to bring some family and friends to those appointments. And right here we have Dr. Boss.
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Boss. I'm one of the clinical supervisors here at Pitt. So if you come here, you'll probably get a chance to work with me while you're here. At Eye and Ear, I think this is probably one of the biggest advantages of the Pitt AUD program is that your clinic placements, your campus clinic is a real live working hospital. It's not just a campus clinic, and you get the advantage of seeing all of our patients with us. We love having students here and we look forward to working with you.
Thanks, Dr. Boss. Heading down the hallway here, I'm going to take you into the VEMP room, or the room that we do a lot of our electrophysiological testing. So here at Eye and Ear, we do VEMP testing, ABR testing, and even ECOG testing in this room. So you can see some of that equipment all set up in here. And as a Pitt student, you'll get an experience of being on our VEMP team, which is a team of Pitt students that get to work pretty independently doing testing on dizzy patients. So that's a wonderful learning experience. Lastly, I'm going to show you around our hearing aid repair lab. So this is where we keep all of our hearing aid parts and supplies. And in here we work on cleaning and repairing hearing aids in the office. And at this clinic we work with all of the hearing aid manufacturers, so you'll get lots of experience learning about all the different companies and styles of hearing aids. By becoming part of the University of Pittsburgh's audiology program, this is just one of the many amazing clinical sites that you'll get to experience and learn from. Thanks for watching.